For this video, I will tell you now why it is dangerous to allow your girlfriend, your fiancé, your man, your wife to dey go gym or to dey attend gym to go training. My name na Big Boss. How una dey now? Hope say una life dey jollof. So make una no waste time. Let's go there. You see, gym na place wey be say man, woman, and everybody dey meet if they wan do exercise. Na different types dey. Some wan lose weight, some wan add weight. So depending on the one wey your woman choose, the thing be say e dey dangerful for you and make you no allow her go this gym for this reason wey I wan tell you now. Number one reason be say guys for gym go chase her because for gym majority of the people wey dey there na men. 80% of people wey dey go gym na men. Only 20% constitute women. When we don see your babe, she don go dress for that her outfit, put tight everywhere, shorts, everything, and all the shape dey show. I tell you, na attraction be that. And this guy no go let her rest. Sooner or later, one of the guys will get hold of her. And he will come in very politely, talk like a gentle guy, talk, how are you, how gym now, this and that, oh, you are, it's good you came to the gym, blah, 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 blah. Before you know now, you don't converse. Before you know now, one day you just offer her drink or bottle water. When you don't take bottle water now, finish, till you don't start. The next time you don't close for the gym, she don't go, she look for taxi for outside the gym for road, side, and just carry motor, park. Please, my colleague for gym, I give you lift now. You carry her. Don't start with that too. The cycle. Today, tomorrow, to next tomorrow. One day you give her lift. The next day we just branch back for a suya place for side of the road. Let me just get something for us. You just go get suya. Maybe suya and chicken. You get one big chicken, whole chicken. Go buy, give her. You need to be taking chicken because chicken has no fat. If you take them, it will help you since you lose weight. What? Rubbish. Na psyching now. And before you know, you don't get in way. You go just go lay her. If you don't lay her 1, 2, 3, 4, she can now. You don't get in way. And this guy no go marry her. He no carry identity. He just want take her do too big. They go just work her and they go. Na chop and go in there. And meanwhile, you dey house dey wait for her. Wetin be your useful now of paying for her gym subscription? Say this gym no pay you. Number 2, the gym instructor. You see these gym instructors? Now wicked people, them be devilish people. I tell you, devilish. No, they listen to any gym instructor. They say, let her come to the gym, this and that. Now lie. Now them be the devil for the gym. You see, gym instructors, if they don't, then go side girls, screen all the babes, all the women who come for gym, whether married or unmarried or not single. When training start now, they start aerobics. You see, gym instructor go come. They hold your woman for back, for chest, for back, for bum bum. They bend her left, right, center. Go they open her leg wide. All. The program himself need to look her, hide the imagine say if you handle her, go take 3 times, go take handle her. So she come consider a better thing. Bend down here, show your breast here, show your side there, do this one, bend bum bum. All now psyching. And every day if you just come pick one, say okay, you know what I go to train you very well. You go lose this weight very well, you go look sweet. Just follow my instruction. You don't cycle with that. The next thing one day you go say, I make you wait, make we go together. Then come out together, maybe na carry keke napep or anything. Before you know, we say, let me just buy somewhere here, get something, or let's just go. Don't go somewhere. Oh, this way I stay, blah blah blah. Before you know now, something don't show. It don't happen. 1, 2, 3 now, it don't lay her. And you dey house. And people for gym they always close late. 8, 9. Now so gym be. Why you dey house, you dey pay for gym subscription. Somebody those people say they not get used, we say they don't even reach your level. Then they lay your girlfriend, they lay your fiancé, they lay your wife. Does that make sense to you? No now. This one no be dangerful. We go pay for her now which they are training the gym. The last one, the thing be say if things like that don't happen, this relationship go crash. I tell you. Now your girlfriend, your fiancé, your wife don't they used to this lane when they lay her. Anytime she come home, you approach her, you go see she don't tire. She don't tire because she don't get more than enough outside. You come on the imagine every time she don't tire, she know they do. When reach one point when she don't they use their speed go come enter her. She will come say maybe that's everything would be. Before you know, and this one that just won't eat her, just dump her. Then she come they get angry, they vex. To go gym herself, you know if you go again. Shame they catch her. You kuma, she don't vex with you. She no like you anymore. Because you know they're attracted to her. See as everything before you know now, relationship down quarter, everybody will just find a way. Now tell me what is of this gym we go register for her now. So therefore guys, I beg, no they allow your girlfriend, fiancé, women attend gym. You no go pay, now you go lose out. Psychological problem, psychological trauma, financial problem, financial loss. Or you dey pay money or people men dey leave your woman, leave your girlfriend or your fiancée or your wife. Does it make sense? Doesn't now. So I beg, if she say she won't go gym, tell her say no gym. It's either between me or the gym. Make she choose one. Number two, if she don't attend the gym, tell her say look, from now on this gym will stop. This gym has to stop immediately. It's either you stop it or I leave you. Anyone make she choose. You want her, she no gree, quit the relationship. Waka. Yes, let her continue to her gym. Who cares? To hell with her. Divorce here.